Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of a Borescope camera with a super small diameter of only 5.5 millimeters. This is the smallest diameter I've ever tested with an HD camera. It has a 4.5 inch diagonal IPS screen, and IPS means that you could change the angle and the screen looks really good. This probe is IP67 waterproof, so you don't have to worry about it going underwater, and it includes a 16.5 foot semi-rigid cable. The company that sells this offers fast delivery, free replacement, and 7 days no question asked for return or exchange. Now, one thing I noticed right off the bat is this has a real on-off switch on the side, and that I like because when it has the software on-off switch, after about 3 months the battery dies, but this is a real on-off switch. You have a brightness control right here, which controls the brightness of those front LEDs, which is really nice. Comes with a little package that you can put on the probe right there to grab things, and a magnetized tip, and that comes in handy if you're working in a sink. Instruction booklet comes with an 8 gigabyte memory card, micro SD card, and a charging cable. This is not a data cable. To get the data, you have to remove the SD card and put it in a reader. The SD card goes right in on the side right there. Quite easy to do. And it's basically power and brightness of that. And then you have the actual menu on here, and it's real simple to use. It has a mode for pictures. You just hit that like that. You see a little red symbol right there, and it's taking pictures right now. And then also a mode, you hold this down, and now a timer goes right there, and it's now taking actual video. It's very clear. I put it on my computer. I'm going to give you some examples. I looked at my furnace, an old Edison record player, and my sink drain with this unit, and it worked really well. I like the simplicity of this menu. Very simple to use, and you do have the ability to look at all the settings right here. Let me just show you. Right there, you can go through all the settings and use the down arrow. You have the choice of video, photo, resolution, language, brightness, time setting, timestamp, format that SD card that comes with, or reset the system. And very simple to use, very simple menu. Back button right there allows you to go right back to your image. So most people are going to use this. They're going to record something, see what's going on, and then be able to play it back right on the unit, because it does allow you to play it back. There is no sound, there's no microphone in this system, but it's not necessary for something like this. So it has a 2 megapixel sensor in there, and it's interpolated to give you 1080p of resolution. And again, this is the smallest probe I've ever tested. This is 0.21 of an inch, so you're not going to have any trouble getting this into anything that's really small. So inside here, there's an advanced CMOS chip sensor, and has really high quality edge images, and it works really well. I was impressed with it. There are 6 LED lights in here, and again, this IP67 waterproof, which means this could be underwater for 30 minutes at 1 meter. So that's really nice. So you use it even in your engine block, your coolant. If it got on the coolant, it's no big deal because it is totally waterproof. The company that sells this does offer 24/7 customer service. If you have any questions about this Borescope, just contact them. So now I'm going to show you the footage that I took using this Borescope. So after I tested the Borescope camera with super small diameter of 5.5 millimeter, 0.21 of an inch, what do I think about this product? Well, I like it. As I demonstrated, this thing worked really well to look inside my furnace, my Edison player, my sink. Just really nice, real simple menu. I like the simplicity of it and the fact that it has a real power switch. Basic operation, works well. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented here helped you with all your buying decisions. Thank you for watching.